Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an absolute classic, the 1970 Ford Torino Cobra Jet. This beauty combines muscle car power with a unique retro flair, and it's making waves again in 2025. In this review, we'll break down its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Let's get started. First, let's talk about that exterior. The 1970 Ford Torino Cobra Jet is instantly recognizable. The tan color on this model really adds a sense of understated elegance while still carrying that aggressive muscle car vibe. The lines are sharp, and the body has a wide stance, giving it an imposing presence on the road. The long hood, paired with the rear-end flare, creates the kind of silhouette that makes you want to hear that engine roar. The front grille, with its bold chrome accents, is a classic design, and the quad headlights only enhance its vintage appeal. A muscle car like this demands attention, and this tan version certainly gets it. Now, let's hop inside. The interior of the 1970 Torino Cobra Jet is a throwback to classic muscle car styling but with a touch of modern comfort. The tan leather seats offer a great contrast with the dark interior trim, creating a warm yet sporty vibe. The dashboard features classic analog dials, but everything is designed to keep the driver focused on the road. The steering wheel has that perfect vintage feel, with a thick rim and smooth center. You get the essence of the 1970s, but there's a touch of luxury in the materials used. Though it's a muscle car at heart, it's still pretty comfortable for longer drives. Of course, no muscle car review would be complete without discussing performance. Under the hood, the 1970 Ford Torino Cobra Jet is packing a real punch. The legendary 429 Cobra Jet V8 engine roars to life, delivering an impressive 375 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. That's more than enough to get your adrenaline pumping. It's not just about straight-line speed, either. The handling is surprisingly responsive for a car of this era, thanks to a solid suspension setup that keeps it planted even when you push it through corners. Whether you're gunning it on the highway or cruising around town, the Torino Cobra Jet gives you that classic muscle car thrill. The exhaust note is also something you won't forget, deep, throaty, and unmistakably American. So, what does it cost to own a piece of automotive history in 2025? The 1970 Ford Torino Cobra Jet, especially in this tan color, is a sought-after collector's item, and the price tag reflects that. Depending on the condition and originality of the car, you can expect to pay anywhere between $60,000 to $100,000, with well-restored or fully original models reaching the higher end of that range. If you're lucky enough to snag one, you're not just getting a car, you're getting a piece of muscle car legacy. There you have it, folks, the 1970 Ford Torino Cobra Jet in all its glory. From the aggressive exterior to the powerful performance and the timeless interior, this car has it all. If you're looking for a true muscle car experience with a nod to the past, the Cobra Jet is definitely worth considering. Let me know what you think about this legendary ride in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.